What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to One How to Smartphones tutorial videos on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. As you guys can see, I have the Z Flip in my hand. So in this video, I'll be doing an activation and a startup, just kind of getting through the startup activation screens to get you to the home screen. So if you guys find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you know anybody who might be looking for this information, please do share it with them. So the first thing we're going to want to do is this button over here on the side. There's a volume up and down, and this button, we're just going to go ahead, press that, and hold it. And just like that, there was a little vibration and the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip screen turned on. So just gonna go ahead, power it up, take a look, go through that startup activation screen, all the different screens that come up. Now we have a screen that just says Samsung. This is the first boot on this phone since I've got it and since I've opened it out of the packaging.
Let's get started. Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you.
So there is a speech version. I'm just going to go ahead and start up. So English, I'm going to hit next. And then check out some of the info to get started, terms and conditions, all this stuff. You pretty much have to agree to all these things in order to proceed. So let's hit next. And then next it's going to be asking us for a Wi-Fi network. I'm going to go ahead and link up to mine. So just like that, I am getting connected up to the internet here, and it should be able to connect, and we'll hit next down here. And then activate your device. Please wait while we activate your device for network services. This may take several minutes. If you have a card, if you purchased it with a SIM card, it's going to go ahead and pre-program it and pretty much get you connected right away. The method I'm going to be doing this on this demo is just to get it to the home screen without any kind of SIM card being installed. So on this screen, it's asking us, it says this device has not been registered with an account. Do you want to continue? Do you want to connect this device to an account for network services? I'm going to go ahead and select no. I'm just activating it just to kind of get it started and to the home screen. It's checking for updates. And it takes us to this copy apps and data. You're going to go ahead and just select don't copy. This is for backing up any information that you could have previously had. I'm just starting mine up from just to kind of get to the home screen. I'm going to be skipping if you want to sign into your Google account. I'm going to skip that. And then there's more terms and condition type things. So I'm going to go ahead and hit accept there. It's asking if you want any kind of protection on your phone. I'm going to go ahead and skip that one as well. Or if you want to skip it, I'm going to go ahead and skip. I'm adding the finishing touches. This may take a few minutes. So then it says get recommended apps. All the apps will be downloaded when Wi-Fi is available. I'm just gonna go ahead and hit next here, and then sign into your Samsung account. Skip that. Are you sure? I'm gonna go ahead and skip, saying you're missing out on all these features. We skip that, and then all done. Go ahead, hit next. And then before you get started, here's a few of the misclaimers that they talk about on the safety portion. There's even a sticker when you get the device. So just like that, we have fired up our device. So there we have it. I'm going to go ahead and fold the screen in half, and it still stays active. Let's go ahead and check it out on just a regular app. So there we have it. Just a full screen, just like the regular Androids. It's got the little back button up here. We can pull down, same type of setting there. As you go over the little bump, you can kind of feel it. That's the one thing that I can kind of notice there is when you're transitioning from whatever you're going between, you can feel that little bump. So there you guys have it. Just a quick startup, quick activation type video to get to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any kind of comments, go ahead and drop them in the comment section below. That's all I got for you guys in this one. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.